Do you want a BONE? Okay. Oh my lord, you know how to spell. Can you SIT? Sit? No, no. Allie, you want a bone? Sit down. She says yes. What a good girl you are. What a good girl. Fred, would you like a bone? Say, would you like a bone? Okay, hold on. What? One for Fred. Oh, I dropped the bones. There you are. One. And yours is gone already, huh? You coming back for more? There's no more. There's no more.